Hello, my name is Blair and welcome to another gadget. Today I'm trying to fix some of my stuff right here in the Philippines, and of course I want to do it by myself, not asking for some help from a technician, because I'm also a technician before, and of course I'm just gonna fix by myself. Today I'm gonna fix a 5-meter extension wire for my gadgets to connect to my plugs, which is a little bit further, probably 3 to 5 meters away. So let's try to fix a 5-meter extension wire right here in the gadget. So we have our gadgets prepared right here. As you can see, this is the broken, which is I remove all the wires so that it will be functioning again. And of course it is a very old type of extension wire, which is the wire is already it's not worth it to use anymore. So I also bought this one. It is a plug, a 10 amperes plug, and it costs about 19 pesos, Philippine peso that is. And I bought this at the Ace Hardware. Same with this one. This is a 16 gauge cord. It is a flat cord with 5 meters. Yes, it is a 5-meter long, and it costs about 159 pesos and 75 centavos. So I have to cut this and prepare. Of course, don't forget to have a screwdriver. I only have this right now because I haven't seen some of my stuff right now, and I only have this cutter, which is a little bit it is rusty. So let's open this one and try to make the cord. At least it's still sharp. So about this one, let's open this one. The plug, this is a 10 ampere plug. Okay, how about this one? Let's open this one. Okay, so as you can see, it's still okay. I need to clean this one, but for now I have to connect the wires first. So I already opened this one. Let's cut this one. I've been using this table for how many years already? Even my aunt also used this when she is still here in the Philippines. So we have to do like this. Okay, I think that's much better. So the estimation is already okay. So let's try to cut this one. So as you can see, I'm twisting it as I go along to cut this wire. So I have to measure it. Not so exact, but it will be okay, as long as I could cut it near the core of the wire. So I twisted it so that it will be like this, and it will be not so messy. Okay, so let's try to locate this one. Yeah, I think that is the best. So let's also try to unscrew a little bit, but not too much. So as you can see, I am twisting it. I don't have the alligator clip right now, but it will work fine. So I have to lock it. Alright, so it works fine. It will be separated by this covering, so it will not be short. So let's try to insert this one. It'll be like that. Okay, so of course try to Let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, let's try to lock it in. Alright, so it seems not connecting the wires. Okay, this is good. Alright, so there you have it. It's already done. Let's close the hatch right here. So it will be preventing from the touching of these two wires. So I have to put this in between this wire so that it will not short circuit. Okay, so let's try to close it. Same with this one. Part 1 is already okay. Let's cut the other end of this wire so that we could connect this plug into the wire. So let's look for the wire. Okay. So now let's split this one. Okay, and at the same time let's open this plug. Alright, so I'll set aside this one first, and then let's cut this wires same as usual. Okay, twist it. Alright, so it will be like this. Okay, so another one, same. So let's twist it. Okay, so there you have it. And of course let's try to unscrew this one too. Okay, something like that. Same with this one. So we will try to connect these wires right here. Now let's try to lock it in. So the thing will be like this, like right there. Okay, and this one too will be shaped like a U so that I could like put it right here, like that one. And lug it in. Okay, I think that's sturdy enough already. So this one will be latched. So make sure there is no wires connecting in between. And of course, it will be prevented by this one. It will not be short-circuited too. So align properly. Okay, then let's try to lock it in. Alright, so there you have it. We have our complete set already. So there you have it, our extension wire, which is fixed already. As you can see, we have the old socket and we have the new plug and the new wire, because this one is still okay. It's still sturdy. As you can see, we will try to plug it. It is very sturdy. So that's how you fix a extension wire with the old stuff and buy a new wire and a plug so that it will be working as a extension socket again. If you have some question, feel free to ask me. Write it in the comments down below. I'm Blair, saying bye for now and see you in the next adventure. Ciao!